Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haika Rahman. I'm a student majoring in International ICT Business in Faculty of Economic and Business in Telkom University. And today, I want to present about my thesis proposal. My thesis proposal is about COVID-19 pandemic effect on LQ45 index stocks price in Indonesian Stock Exchange. First, what is research methodology? Research methodology can be defined as the specific procedures or techniques used to identify, select, process, and analyze information about a topic. In a research paper, the methodology section allows the readers to critically evaluate a study of overall validity and reliability. So this is my overview of research objects. The purpose of this research is to examine the internal and external effect of the LQ45 stock price, especially in the coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic situation, and to analyze LQ45 stocks price and trading volume activity on the IHSG or Indonesian Stock Exchange. The first case of the COVID-19 in Indonesia was announced on March 2nd, 2020, officially by the President of Indonesia. And this research also to find out the transaction trading volume of the LQ45 index that can affect the stock's price before and after the COVID-19 announced by the government of Indonesia. This is the research background. According to Tanley in 2010, investment is defined as the commitment of a number of funds in the future. An investor buys stock at the moment of gaining profit from rising stock price or some dividends in the future. As a reward for the time and risk, this coronavirus pandemic implies that the market gives a bad signal for Indonesian investors. After the President of Indonesia announcement of the patent first case, COVID-19 in Indonesia so tends to lead to the stock price, the company LQ45 experience drop. Also, according to Tanlin, the investment as the commitment of number of funds in the future, an investor buys stock at the moment of gaining profit from rising stock price or some dividend in the future as a reward for the time and risk. Stock valuation can accurately minimize risk while helping investor make a profit. There are two kinds of analysis that is widely used to determine the value of stocks, namely fundamental security analysis and technical analysis. This is the research question and the research purpose. For the research question, first is how is the LQ45 stocks index before the COVID-19 pandemics? Second, how is the LQ45 stocks index after the COVID-19 pandemics? Third, does the pandemic affect the price of the stock in LQ45 index? Fourth, what factors affect the stock price? And last is what factors that makes the investor bullish or bearish in the market. And then the purpose is to find out and analyze the LQ45 stocks price index in Indonesia Stock Exchange. Second, to find out and analyze the effect of the coronavirus pandemic to the LQ45 company stock price. Third, to find out the market and investor reaction after the government announced the pandemic situation. Fourth, to find out what are the factors that make the LQ45 index company investor feel bullish or bearish in the market. Fifth, to find out what are the factors that affect the transaction volume of the LQ45 company index in Indonesia Stock Exchange. And this is the benefit of research. Researchers hope that we know what are the factors that can affect the LQ45 stock price in Indonesian Stock Exchange. For the literature review, this is the stock market in pandemic era. The stock market is one important source of funding for a company. Companies that have gone public can increase their source of funds through sale of company ownership in the capital market. The funds raised are long-term funding source that companies can optimize source these funds are to improve performance. The thing the company should do then it is maintaining and increasing the confidence of investor by giving best performance. This is important, so much research is being done. both on Indonesia, even in the world, is related to the stock market. According to Bose and Mukherjee 2005, other than that, stock market development will also make a positive contribution to economic growth. Also, according to Sulistiyowati and Rahmawati, it is stated that there is a positive relationship between an efficient stock market and economic growth, both in the short and long term, as well as exists an indirect transmission mechanism between the influence of the development of the stock market investment. Because the COVID-19 pandemic caused a panic for the investor. And this is the framework. This is the normal framework. It's a behavior theory, investment theory, values, behavioral finance theory, and inflation decision theory. This theory is included in stocks buying that can make an investor stocks buying or selling the market behavior. But in this condition, this pandemic condition, that makes this theory is unnecessary again, because investors are panicking because of the pandemic situation that never before in the human life. For the research characteristic, we have the quantitative methods, and then the purpose is descriptive. For the author is to know intervention. For the time, we make the time series. For the data types and source, in this study, the data used is quantitative data, is data in the form of numbers or the data collection technique used in this study is use a literature study. Literature study is an important step after the researcher determines the research topic with further theoretical and reference study carried out in accordance with the research to be carried out. For the data source, our data source is Indonesian Stock Exchange, and then the company financial statement, and also in the Bloomberg. Okay, thank you so much for these opportunities. I hope to see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.